Hey guys, my name is Casey Kinsey, and I'm the founder and CEO of Lofty. We are a digital product development team in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and we build data driven apps for disruptive companies. We also created this tool, Delegate. See, we built Delegate to solve some of the problems that we were having while trying to grow and scale our professional services firm. As we gained more employees and customers, our processes need to get more sophisticated, and the amount of things that needed to be done at certain times by certain people became way too much for me as a founder to keep in my head. So we started doing what most people do. We built spreadsheets that helped us keep track of the list of everything and the due dates and who are responsible. And that worked for a little while, but we found ourselves, constantly having to pass these spreadsheets back and forth. And every time we ran the process again, needing to make a copy. And then ultimately, someone had to remember to go back and check these checklists often. I mean, some of our processes have 30 or 60 days between the first and last task in the process. So we knew there had to be a better way, and that's why we created Delegate. It works like this. First, you fill out all of the steps of your process, define who's responsible and when things need to be done. Ooh, that's supposed to be Tyrell. Then, the next time you hire somebody, you click the rocket, you say, we're hiring that Casey Kinsey guy, and his date of hire is going to be this Friday, and you start your process. And now you've got a list of all of the things that you need to do. And not just you, but all of the people on your team that are responsible for helping get things done. They have that list too. The great thing about Delegate is now that it has your checklist, it can remind your team when things get behind or when there's insurance paperwork due for that employee that got hired 2 months ago. Everyone gets a dashboard that shows them anything they're responsible for that's coming due soon or maybe has gotten overdue. And it's going to email them that same list each morning, but only if there's something outstanding. So you can see here, actually, I've got 10 tasks assigned to me, but one of them is overdue, a few more coming due this week, but it looks like we have a task that's overdue. If I click on it, it takes me right into our new hire checklist for Austin. And yep, it looks like I forgot to set up his 1Password account credentials. He actually pinged me about this on Slack this morning and I set him up, so we're good to go. We check it off the list, and now we get the big green check mark. Austin's good to go. It's that simple. And it's not just for people processes either. At Lofty, we use it for new customer onboarding, managing our contract flow, and we're even working on some really cool new features right now around periodic processes like daily, weekly, or monthly checklists for our accounting systems. So that's Delegate. We've designed some really simple workflows that we think any business owner or manager in any industry can apply to whatever their bespoke, artisanal, esoteric systems are, and start guaranteeing consistency in the delivery of their business processes. There's some other really cool things I'd like to show you, but you should check it out for yourself. We're actually doing free pilots for the next couple months. So if you want to see it, get in touch and we'll set you up with an account. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.